Hey guys, Sam here, and today I'm going to be talking about the options and packages that make a BMW E46 worth more money. So I've divided this up into 5 separate categories, being color combination, body style, engine size, transmission type, and factory options and packages. Now, I think it goes without saying that the most important factor in any used car's value is going to be the condition and mileage. So I did not include that in my list. So the first thing on my list is color combinations. Now, most E46s come in pretty standard colors: black, gray, silver, white, and none of those colors really differ from each other in the value of the car. I'm talking mostly about the rarer colors like Laguna Seca blue, Phoenix yellow, Imola red, navy blue, and these are colors that were not produced as much on the E46, and because of this, cars that have these colors are going to be worth more money. Now, for the interior, the same thing goes. For normal cars, the black interior is worth slightly more than tan and gray, but mainly where you see a value increase is from cars that have the cinnamon brown interior or red interior, or even some very rare E46s come with a blue interior. Now, the second thing that adds value to an E46 is the body style. So E46s came in wagons, sedans, coupes, and convertibles. The least valuable of these body styles is the convertible. Honestly, I don't really know why this is. You guys can let me know in the comments below. All I know is they're worth less. Sedans are probably the second least valuable, just because there's so many of them out there. And coupes and wagons are on the top. Wagons, specifically 330 wagons, are worth money just because of the rarity. And the same thing goes with coupes. Coupes were less common, they're more desirable to enthusiasts, and therefore they're worth more money. The next thing that adds value or can remove value from an E46 is the type of transmission it has. Now, on stock E46s, they came with either an automatic or a manual. And you guys guessed it, the manual is worth more money. Enthusiasts are always going to pick the manual, and so manual cars are always in demand. Now, the E46 M3 is a little different. It didn't come with an automatic, it came with an SMG, but the same thing goes, the manual is worth more money. The next thing on E46s, and this is pretty obvious, is the type of engine it has. So the early E46s from 99 to 2001 came with the M52 engine in either the 323i or the 328i, and the newest, and from 2002 to 2006, the E46 was offered in the 325i or the 330i. So in order from least desirable to most desirable, it's going to be 323i, 325i, 328i, and then 330i. The next thing that factors into the price of an E46 is factory options. So if you live in the Northeast, one thing that will definitely increase the value is having the cold weather package. So this comes with heated side mirrors and heated seats, I believe. Another option that adds value is having the sport seats, which my car has, with thicker bolsters. And then, of course, the one option that adds the most value more than anything else is the ZHP package. So this was a sport package offered on standard E46 330s. It added M-inspired front and rear bumpers, an M steering wheel, M shift knob, tighter suspension, maybe even a shorter gear ratio, I'm not entirely sure. Honestly, in my opinion, the cars drive really similar. Some people will say it's like a baby M3. but you can't really tell the difference between a 330 ZHP and a normal 330, but it definitely adds a lot of value. A clean 330 ZHP can go for over 10 grand, whereas a normal 330 probably around 5 grand. So it's just something to keep in mind. So those are all the packages and options that add value to the BMW E46. I just made another video talking about why I think the BMW E46 will appreciate in value. If you guys haven't seen that, please be sure to check it out. And if you liked the video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe.